Now the bulbs are right over there. The way to access it, we have to first open up the hatch, and now we have to get the light out. The light is held in place by those two 10mm bolts. So the only tool you need for this job is a 10mm socket ratchet combination or a 10mm wrench. Go ahead and get those two bolts out and keep them somewhere safe. Now at this point, you may think that you'll be able to just get the light out by just wiggling it, and you might, but not likely, but you might. Very likely it's going to be stuck over there, and I'll show you a trick. Get duct tape. Get them taped and peel out a layer and stick it on the light just the way I'm showing. Make sure it's stuck on there nice and tight. Leave a little bit on the edge, just leave it off so you can grab onto it. We're going to use this like a handle to yank the light out. Get in one more layer and basically try and get like 3-4 layers of the duct tape on it, so that way there's good coverage on the entire light surface. Get those ends out, get them all together, and then just yank the light out straight towards the back, and that should get the light out of the body. And there it is, it's out. That gray bulb holder, that's the one for the rear turn signal bulb. Just grab it and twist it left, and now it's loose. It should just come right out. You may have to get that wire off from the hook over there, gives you more play. And that's the bulb right there. Just grab the bulb and pull it out straight, and now it comes. The bulb number is right there on it, WY21W or 7440A. A is for the amber color. Get the new bulb, push it in to secure it, and now let's put it back in. When you put the bulb holder back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like that. At this point, just twist it right to lock it in place. See how those two arrows, one on the light and one on the bulb holder, how they line up? That's what it should look like. Yeah, and that's good. Now that cutout on the light, that has to go on over that white clip, such like that. And that's important. Those two holes is where the bolts go, and that one alignment pin goes right over there. Let's put the light back in. And now when you're doing it, just keep an eye out on the alignment pin. It aligns over there. It should not be sticking out from the front. Like, see, this is sticking out. That's not good. You don't want that. So what you're going to do is going to take the light out and then keep some force on the front edge where it goes in, so that way it doesn't like slide out from over that white pin. See, now it's all sticking out. That's good. Push the light in. Let's put those two bolts back in place, and then let's just tighten them up. That's pretty much it. See how easy the process was? Now let's get this duct tape off the light. Gently peel it the way I'm showing. So that way you'll leave minimal glue residue on the light, and that's about it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.